The destination is in the distance though. Like 400 stairs. Oh my god. I wonder if that's true. I'm always cautious about beaches here. I don't know, I'm always expecting warm waters, sandy beaches. I am taking the science to the beach, specifically Wreck Beach. I'm going to collect some seaweed and maybe some moss. Lots of shells. But I really like the purple mollusk shell. So such a beautiful day. The mountains. I'm taking science to the beach. So I'm at Wreck Beach. It's a clothing optional beach and I'm not going to point it in that direction, respecting people's privacy. But I'm going to collect some, yes, moss and some seaweed. I'm so sorry for just grabbing you. So yeah, hopefully it stays alive. These aren't the same as the green ones. I thought they would be. So I'll get some of these too. Might be the same. Oh, so peaceful. Looks like a spine to me, doesn't it? Ooh, central nervous system. Ooh, I bet the amount of sulfur anaerobic bacteria is probably in this little seaweed pond. Lots of mollusk shells too. Oh. I meant to put you down so I could collect samples, not to drift away. So pretty. Ooh. Oh my god, would I remember how to dissect a crab? Oh, it's already dissected. Oh, you must be the leg I saw up there. Next up, I have some sea lettuce. Ooh, I wonder if it's edible. This is a common algae, very ribbony, as seen with the naked eye. Wow. Oh my god, so well defined, like it was in a leaf. I mean, it is a leaf of marine. Such beautiful, well defined chloroplast. Another type of algae that is more tubular than, oops, horizontal. Well, that's not the opposite of tubular, but you get it. I hope you find some time today to go outside and be one with nature. See you next week. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.